Okay, we're going to be changing the in-cabin air filter on a 2001 Subaru Forester. We're going to be using the STP CAF90112P, which is a two-part air filter, as you can see right here. Now the housing is located right here and it has two retaining clips on it. We'll be using a flathead screwdriver to pry these off real quick. Now with the clips removed, go ahead and take this bottom housing off. And this rubber stopper sometimes gets stuck in there, so go ahead and just pop that off. Now first we're going to put this one in. And make sure this little part right here is facing the front of the vehicle and going up. Just like this. Alrighty. Next is this one. I'm going to make sure this tab is at the bottom facing the rear of the vehicle. Just like this. Come on. There we go. Go ahead and put our rubber stopper back in. Go ahead and put the housing cover on as well. Make sure the back hook's on here. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and stick these retaining clips back on. Alright. Just like that, in-cabin air filter is changed on the 2001 Subaru Forester.